Setting sail, unraveling the meaning of a nautical phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms and phrases to uncover the meaning and usage of the phrase, set sail. Whether you're a language learner or simply curious about English expressions, you're in the right place. Let's set sail on this linguistic journey together and explore how this nautical term has made its way into everyday English. Set sail is a phrase that originates from the world of sailing and seafaring. In its most literal sense, it means to begin a journey by sea. This involves hoisting the sails of a ship or boat up the mast, preparing the vessel to be propelled by the wind. It's a term full of adventure and exploration, often associated with starting new ventures and heading toward unknown horizons. In addition to its literal meaning, set sail is commonly used in a figurative sense. When used metaphorically, it means to start a new venture or embark on a new phase in life. For example, if someone says, "I've decided to set sail on a new career path," they mean they are starting a new job or profession. The phrase captures the spirit of embarking on a journey, indicating a sense of initiative and adventure. To help you understand how to use set sail in different contexts, let's go through some examples. 1. Literal use. The explorers set sail at dawn, hoping to discover new lands. 2. Figurative use. After years of preparation, she's finally ready to set sail on her dream of starting her own business. Notice how in the first example, set sail is used to describe the actual action of starting a sea journey. In the second example, the phrase is used metaphorically to talk about beginning a new endeavor. When using set sail in conversation or writing, keep in mind that it often carries a positive and adventurous connotation. It's a phrase that expresses action, movement, and the beginning of something new. However, it's important to use it in the right context to ensure that your message is clear and understood. And there we have it, a deep dive into the meaning and use of the phrase, set sail. We hope that this video has helped illuminate how this nautical term can be used both literally and figuratively in English. As always, thank you for watching, and we wish you the best on your English language learning journey. Set sail toward success, and we'll see you in the next video.